And they're off. Early lead is taken by Etc. from the outside, mixed best by the rail, and Smoking Peanut entry number 2, King Rick, and Lady Dancer. The mid-back stretch, Etc. on the outside, and by the rail is mixed best, running in third by 2.5 lengths, Smoking Peanut, King Rick, and Lady Dancer. Nearing the far turn, it is still the favorite, Etc. by half a length, followed by Mixed Best. Moving up on the inside is entry number 2, Smoking Peanut, King Rick, and Lady Dancer. Rounding the far turn, Etc. in the lead by 3.5 lengths, followed now by Smoking Peanut and Mixed Best on the outside. King Rick moving up on the farther outside. The last bend for home, it is still the outstanding favorite, entry number 4, Etc. now pulling away from the field, followed by King Rick on the outside in second, and on the inside is Smoking Peanut on the further outside. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Etc. King Rick, Smoking Peanut, Mixed Best, and Lady Dancer. And finally at the payoff line, it's like a walk in the park for entry number 4, and that is Etc. King Rick coming in second, Smoking Peanut third, fourth is number 3, Mixed Best, and Lady Dancer.